Hello, I'm Jackie Carter, Worldwide Outer Nutrition Product Trainer at Herbalife. Welcome to your 7 steps to better skincare. Treat your complexion to a regular face mask to improve your skin's texture. Masks can help draw out impurities and leave your skin noticeably smoother and softer. To begin with, make sure your skin is properly cleansed before you apply mask to avoid impurities from penetrating deep into your pores. Pat your skin dry, pull your hair back, and apply the mask to your entire face using your fingertips to spread a thin layer across your face and neck. Leave for up to 15 minutes and allow the mask to do its work. Cleanse your face and neck with a damp cloth or sponge to remove the majority of the mask. Wash face and neck with your specific facial cleanser. Use a toner over your face and neck to prepare hydration. Apply your favorite facial moisturizer to hydrate and restore essential nutrients. Use a mask 1 to 3 times a week as part of your skincare regime. I'm Jackie Carter. Thanks for watching the 7 Steps to Better Skincare Guide.